Okay, here's an update on the cattle panel trellis around the tomatoes. Today is August 8th, and as you can see, the cattle panels are doing just wonderful. Branches are just growing right through the cattle panels. Great support. No problems with falling over branches or broken branches. Getting great production. Great production all throughout. These are big beefy tomatoes, and oh, I forgot the other type of tomato. It's a yellowish orange tomato that's just, the taste is just fantastic. But this cattle panel idea, whoever came up with this was, it's just a genius. Best support I've ever used. It's the production on these tomatoes. It's just fabulous. I'm not saying it's because of the cattle panel, but the cattle panel sure does make life easier. This is the other end of the cattle panel, by the way. I don't think I showed you that in the first video. I just had to bend these. So when I cut this panel, on the one side you get the the edge here, but then you cut it, and then you don't have that same edge here, So anyway, I just bent it in, and actually that's making great support for this guy right here. He's resting right on there. He's resting right on there perfectly. Carrots are doing good. But as you can see, the production is awesome. Awesome this year. Loving me some tomatoes. We're gonna have a great harvest. Like I said in the first video, cattle panels as trellises are definitely the way to go. Bye.